English need these 7 things. If you give these 7 things, then you can improve your English fast and speak this language. So hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, if you are someone and has been learning this language for a long time, like for 5 6 months, and you are not improving, though you have been learning for a long time, yet you are not improving, so you really need to do these 7 things each and every day. Then you must improve your English fast and speak this language. So what are these 7 things? So listen. First, action. Whatever activities are here to speak English, like reading, listening, speaking, grammar, you have to take action on them. So, first, action. Second, practice. You have to do practice because practice makes perfect. Third, hard work. You have to do hard work. Without hard work, you can't learn anything. Fourth, you have to do smart work. If you want to improve, learn fast, then you also have to do some smart work. Then you can improve fastly. Fifth, you have to be consistent. Without consistency, you can't learn anything. So you have to be consistent. It is said that consistency is the key of success. So you have to keep consistency. If you want to improve, learn fastly. 6, you have to keep patience. Yeah, you must have to keep patience if you want to learn this language because it is time taking process. It cannot be happened in overnight. It takes time, it will take time, so you have to keep patience. 7, you have to you know see improvement, that you are improving every day or not. Whatever you guidance, tips, technique you are following, you are improving or not, you also have to take care of these things. You have to observe it. So every day you have to improve, like learning new vocabs, new sentences, yeah, anything new you have to learn, improve every day. So, if you follow these 7 things each and every day, and with these 7 things, if you practice your English, then my dear friend, really you will improve your English fast and learn speaking English fastly. If you are someone and has been practicing for a long time but not improving, there must be something you are missing, you are lacking, and because of that you are not improving. Maybe it could be lack of consistency, lack of proper practice, hard work. Yeah, maybe you don't have patience. So my dear friend, you have to keep patience, be consistent, do practice, do hard work, smart work, and improve daily, and do those activity, take action on them. Then you can improve, learn fastly, and speak this language. So my dear friend, now you got to know. So what you have to do, you have to observe, okay, in your case, why you are not improving, what is the cause. Observe first, and then correct your way of practicing, change your way of practicing, and then see the result. So I hope now you understood where you need to work and what you need to do to improve and learn speaking English. So I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. We will meet in next video. Happy learning.